Hello, welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, I'd absolutely love it if you hit that subscribe button, and also come and follow me on Instagram as well, because a lot of the stuff I feature on here I'll do in like styling reels and things like that. So if you are new here, my name is Gemma. Hello, and today we've got a Zara haul. This actually is the first Zara haul of 2023. As always, links to everything I feature will be down below in the description box, including what I'm wearing today. This jumper is from Warehouse. I've actually got a Warehouse try on haul coming for you next, but I love this little attention to detail here on this jumper. It's so nice, and I think I need it in the baby blue color. I'm obsessed. Okay guys, I got my hands on the viral Zara leather jacket, aka the viral Molly Mae jacket. Do you need this jacket? I mean, you don't need anything, but you need this. Honestly, I have wanted this for a little while now. I love that it's cropped. I love that it's like a browny charcoaly color. It's got this real like acid wash effect, and I really like all the hardware details here on the zips and the belt as well. This one was $59.99, but as far as faux leather jackets go, I think that's really reasonable. It's fully lined, it feels like a really nice quality, and I have actually posted this on my Instagram. I've done, I think it's 6 ways to style this jacket, so if you are thinking about adding it to your wardrobe but are worried how much you'll actually wear it, hopefully that will be the inspo that you need. So I got this one in a size medium. I would suggest sizing up. I think personally it just looks a little bit better oversized, but do bear in mind it is quite cropped, as you will see from the cutaway. This is it on. I love it. It's so nice. Oh, I just love it so much. I just had it on there with jeans and a jumper, but you could wear it with a tracksuit, with leggings, with dresses, with skirts. The only thing I will say is when you wear this open, this belt has a tendency to slip around a bit, so do bear that in mind. But I actually don't think I would want to take the belt off, because I really feel like it adds to the character of the jacket. I just love hardware here. I mean, look at those chunky zips. It just makes it look that much more premium in my opinion. So let me know if you got your hands on this, if you're contemplating adding it to your wardrobe, what you think of this jacket in general. Next thing I picked up was this gorgeous satin. You'll probably see better from the cutaway, but it's this really lovely satin like drapey fabric, and the best part about this, guys, is the tie open back. You'll see better from the cutaway. This nails the jeans and a nice top dress coat on the head just fabulously, and I think I'm actually going to wear this out to either bottomless brunch, or I've got belated Galentine's drinks with my friend. I just think this with jeans and heels, such a nice outfit, guys. This one was $25.99. I think for the quality is so reasonably priced, and we all need a top like this in our wardrobes, and I just think it's so timeless. It's not going to date. You'll have it in your wardrobe. You can pull it out for various different occasions. You could throw a blazer over this. So I ordered this in a small and a medium, and I've decided to stick with the medium because I found that this has quite a high neckline. You will see better from the cutaway, and the small was just digging in a little bit, and I hate that feeling of something being really tight around my neck. It just makes me feel really claustrophobic. So I opted for the medium, and I think it's perfect for me. Do bear in mind I do have quite big breasts. If you're smaller on the bust or a little bit more petite, I've got quite a long top like torso as well. I'm 5'7.5", then the small might be okay for you, but I just think this is so elegant. I love the open back detail. I'm just here for anything with an open back. So I feel like these skirts have definitely been doing the rounds. They come in so many colours now, and I think they're a great staple for your wardrobe. I have one in black already, which is a slightly different style. It's got a slit. I got it a couple of years ago, and I wear that to death. So I knew that adding this to my wardrobe, I get so much wear out of it. So like I said, it is a skirt. For me, being 5'7.5", these are a godsend, because I don't have to worry about flashing my bum, flashing my lady parts, and I'm almost 32, guys, now, and I just feel like the lengths of the skirts just have to come down a bit. unfortunately. As you'll see from the cutaway, I paired this with a grey jumper, and I just love like that tonal outfit. I think you could layer a blazer over this, pair a really sheer like maybe 15 denier tight, some ankle boots, knee-high boots, a loafer. I think this would look really cute with my Prada loafers as well. But basically just see it as you would a black skirt or a black skirt. You'll get so much wear out of this. So I'd say this one is true to size. I got it in a small. It was $25.99, which I think is so reasonable considering how much wear I'll get out of this. You can definitely dress it up, you can dress it down. I feel like these are an all-rounder if you don't actually have one in your wardrobe to date. What the hell are you doing? Guys, if you're an OG subscriber, you will know I love a matching cord. I saw this, I was sold. I mean, you've got the little waistcoat, which is adorable, and then the matching skirt. I will start with the little waistcoat. I love this colour. With it being neutral, it's a very easy one to pair with lighter coloured trousers, jeans, black trousers. So it's got this really lovely pinstripe running through, and then this is a closer look at the buttons. I would say this one is more on the cropped side. You'll see better from the cutaway, and it does sit slightly higher on the neck, but I actually really love it. It's really cute. So I got this one in a medium. If you've got boobs, I would definitely size up in this. It fits me really comfortably with a bra underneath, and you can't see the strap. So yeah, I love this one. And then on the back as well, it's got a little adjustable, like, what's that called, like a standard waistcoat would have, basically. The quality of this is really nice. It's lined. So yeah, that's the little waistcoat, and then to match is the little skirt. Did I say as well the waistcoat was $29.99? So I got this skirt in a small, which usually is my standard size in Zara. Well, I mean, let's not talk about Zara sizing, but usually I would opt for a small. However, as you'll see from the cutaway, so I did pin it for the purpose of the full body, but for the close-up, guys, this is huge. Like, I don't know if it's meant to be worn like low slung. I mean, us millennials just do not have the time for that. That's a negative. But even low slung, this comes up ridiculously big, so I am going to have to size down to an extra small. So if you do like this skirt, bear in mind I think it does run really big, unless I just got like a 40 size or something. And this one was $35.99. For the quality, I feel like that's quite overpriced for Zara, if I'm honest. I'm just going to be real with you. I think the waistcoat is definitely worth it. The skirt is quite thin. I mean, it will be great as we go into spring, but I really want to shoot this now on it for my Instagram, and I just think it's too cold at the minute. So do bear that in mind. I think it is definitely more of like a spring summer skirt. But let me know what you think of it. I love that it's straight, and then you've got the pleats on the side, and then it's got the same running on the back as well, and then a cute little button here, and then this white pinstripe running through. Do let me know what you think of this after you've seen it on. It might not be for everybody, but I just think it's so cute, and you could even layer like a trench coat over the top. Like, such a nice outfit. But yeah, I definitely need to send this back and reorder the extra small because it's so big. Okay, and the last top I picked up was this really gorgeous black sheer number. You'll see just how sheer it is. I actually spoke about this trend in my 2023 fashion trends video. I'll link it on the screen here if you missed it. Sheer is going to be a huge trend, and this is exactly how I wanted to incorporate it into my wardrobe. Pair it with some black trousers or a pair of high-waisted jeans, layer a blazer over the top. I need to get one of those like t-shirty black skim style bras, because the only black bra I currently have in my collection is a lacy lounge one, which does look very sexy, but I think to make it look a little less sexy, and if you're feeling a bit self-conscious about everyone seeing that very lacy bra, then yeah, I would suggest like a t-shirt bra. I think Primark do them, H&M do them, but I really really want to get a Skims one because I've heard really good things. It's a long sleeved, it's a lovely soft stretchy material. It's got a really good stretch to it, and then a really lovely roll neck detail here. So this one was $15.99. I ordered this in a small and a medium, and I think I'm settling on the medium just because my boobs are big, so I think when it's really tight it just looks a bit too much, and I feel a little bit more comfortable in the medium. I think it fits me better on my shoulders and under my arm. So yeah, let me know what you think of the sheer trend. Is it for you? Would you add something like this into your wardrobe? I feel like if you do kind of want to dabble in the trend, this is a really easy way to do it. But guys, that was my Zara haul. I really hope that you have enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think of the viral Zara leather jacket. I would love to know in the comments. Do you love it? Do you think that it's worth the money? If you're sitting on the fence, then I don't want to be that enabler, but I think I'm going to get so much wear out of that jacket this year. So I would definitely recommend if you're sat on the fence. I hope your bank balance doesn't hate me, but your wardrobe will love me. But yeah, if you've made it to the end of the video, guys, comment with leather jacket. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new around here. I'd absolutely love that. We're so close to 10k now, honestly. It's like be my milestone for ages here on YouTube. But I hope you're having a lovely day whatever you're up to, and I will see you in my next one, because guys, I am so proud of myself. I'm staying so consistent with the YouTube videos. So yeah, that's all from me. Have a lovely day. Bye.